Hey guys, in this tutorial, you'll quickly learn how to delete slides from your PowerPoint presentation, and let's jump into the video without wasting any time. So I have this presentation document which contains multiple slides. It contains 15 slides, and if I want to delete this number third slide because I don't need this, so either I can right click and you can see the delete slide option. I will press this one and it will delete the slide for me. So whatever slide I want to delete, I will just right click, press delete, and it will delete the slide for me. Control Z to go back to get those slides back. So this was the one of the method. The other method is to just delete the slide from the keyboard shortcut. So place the cursor on your required slide which you want to delete and then press delete button from the keyboard. It will delete your slide. Any other slide if you want to delete, just select the slide and then go press delete button and it will delete the slide. So you can select the slide from the mouse or you can just down with down arrow key and it will take you to the down slides and then you can just press delete button and it will delete the slides for you. This is how you can quickly delete the slides from the PowerPoint presentation. Hit the like button if you like this video.